In this video, we will learn how to create drop-down list in Google Sheet. So let's start. I open here my Google Sheet and you can see here the sales data. So I select here the product name column to create the drop-down list of product name. So I select here the full column and you can see here the convert to drop-down chips option showing. When you select it, the one option here showing to convert the drop-down chips. So I select it to create the drop down list. That's it. The drop down list is created. Just click on this arrow and you can see here there are 3 products in this column, therefore showing 3 column. So you can select in drop down list and change the product easily. Okay. So if you want to edit this drop down list, just click on the edit button and you can see the right hand side the data validation rules for drop down list. Okay, so apply to the range. Is the range is automatically selected the B3 column. Then the criteria is for the drop down list. Okay, then here the product name, you can see here there are 3 products. If you want to delete any, you can just click on the remove value. Okay, and if you want to add, just click on the add another item easily. Okay, just click on it, remove, and you can change here the color, customize the different color for your drop down list. You can see the changes on here. Okay, if you want to drag row below above, you can drag easily. And here the allow the multiple selection, just click on it. You can select the multiple selection. You can see the 3 product name I here selected. You can see in formula bar also showing the 3 product. Okay, if you allow it, you can select here the multiple product. If you deselect it option, you can't select here the multiple product. Okay, then click on the advanced option. Here have some advanced option, show help text for selected cell. You can just click on it and click and enter the value from the list of items. Okay, if the data invalid, show a warning. I just select the one. And display style, so arrow, you can see the arrow. I select the full cell here, one cell here, and if you want the chip, you can see the changes. And plain text, if you want the plain text, you can see the plain. Double click on it, you can see the drop down list. So I select here the chip, the first option, and click on the done. Okay, and if you want to remove the rule, you can select this option, the remove rule. I just click on the done and apply to all. There are 13 other drop downs with the same properties. Do you want to make the changes to all of them? Apply to all, adjust this instance. So if you want to apply for this Google Sheet only, just click on for the first option. Okay, now here you can see, when you suppose I edit this spelling of this product name and then I select this, I just edit the list spelling and just enter it. Okay, and you can see here the invalid pop-up showing. Okay, you can see the invalid pop-up showing on this cell. Okay, error is showing here, invalid input must be an item on the specific list. Okay, so this is a way invalid pop-up also showing. Because I set here for advanced option, show a warning if the data invalid. If data is invalid showing on the drop down list, you can see the invalid pop-up. Okay, so if you not select this, reject the input, so you get the reject the input. Okay, so you can't edit here anything. Okay, so I just close this. Okay, so this is a way you can create a drop down list in Google Sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.